Okay, guys, so I have another Am I the A-hole story for you guys, and this one is really petty. I'm gonna read it for you guys, and you be the judge. Let me know who you think the a-hole is. So this one is called, Am I the a-hole for confronting my friend for taking our picture out of his wallet to replace it with his girlfriend's? Yeah, it's pretty cringe. So listen up and let me know what you think. My 22 female best friend John, 23 male, and I have been friends since we were kids. As kids, we were very close and we had a fake wedding when we were 7 and 8. In high school, we recreated the fake wedding pics and he had one of those pics in his wallet. Since he got with his girlfriend Dinah, 23 female, a couple of years ago, John has distanced himself from me. We still hang out, but I feel like he always makes time for Dinah first instead of me. The only way I can see him now is if we go grab coffee once every few days. But other than that, he won't come over to my house. When we used to have sleepovers and movie nights, and he won't even invite me to his house either. I feel neglected and hurt because we've been inseparable since we were small kids. Well, a couple of days ago, I grabbed coffee with him at a coffee shop. And when he opened his wallet to grab his card and pay, I noticed that he had a pic of him and Dinah in the place of our fake wedding pics. I asked him about it and pointed out how I noticed, to which the only thing he said was, "What about it?" I was like, really? Why did you take our picture out and replace it with you and Dinah? He said Dinah is his girlfriend and he doesn't understand why I'm making such a big deal about it. I reminded him that she might be his girlfriend, but he can't just throw me away. I've been his best friend since primary school. My pic existed in his wallet first and he throws it away to replace me with someone that he knows significantly less. He got annoyed and told me that once I stop being an immature, annoying brat, he'll talk to me again. And until then, to just leave him alone because he's not dealing with my childish drama. So am I the a-hole here? Guys, I know you're probably just as triggered as me, but yeah, this is a real story. At least that's what Reddit says. Some people decide to get on the internet and ask these ridiculous questions. But hey, it makes for good content, so I can't complain. The fact that she doesn't understand why he would put his girlfriend over her, she is sounding so jealous right now, and it's just not a good look. If I was the guy, I would get out of that friendship ASAP because she seems way too possessive. So I have to read you guys the top comment with 18,000 likes. It says, quote, "He always makes time for Dinah instead of me." End quote. Holy entitled guacamole, Batman. I could have stopped here and known you're the a-hole. You're not his wife or his girlfriend, and his partner should come before you regardless of your history together. And I couldn't agree more. This girl sounds like a 6 out of 10 a-hole. What do you guys think? Also, you guys gotta let me know what you think about my latest resin fail. Some of the crushed glass fell out, but I think it still came out okay. What do you think?